Most AI research workflows start from scratch every time. The same pages get crawled again, even when the information has already been collected. In this video, you'll learn how to build a persistent AI research dataset with the Crawlbase Web MCP Server. We'll crawl pages once, store them as reusable markdown snapshots, and analyze the same dataset across multiple research tasks. We'll begin with the companion GitHub repository that contains the sample prompts, mcp-config sample URLs, and ingestion script used throughout this tutorial. Open the mcp-config.sample.json file and connect your MCP client to the Crawlbase Web MCP Server using your Crawlbase API tokens. After restarting your MCP client, verify that tools like crawl_markdown, storage_list, storage_get, and storage_bulk_get are available. Next, we'll use the included build prompt to crawl the sample SaaS pricing pages and build our research dataset. Make sure store equals true is enabled. This stores every crawled page as a reusable markdown snapshot in Crawlbase Cloud Storage. Once the crawl is complete, a dataset manifest is generated to keep track of your stored pages and their metadata. Instead of crawling the same pages again, use storage_count, storage_list, and storage_bulk_get to explore the stored dataset. Now ask new research questions against the stored snapshots. Compare pricing models, identify free plans, or analyze competitors without fetching the live pages again. Finally, automate future collections using the included ingest_dataset.py script to build and maintain your research dataset over time. That's it. You now know how to build a persistent AI research dataset using the Crawlbase Web MCP Server. Instead of crawling the same pages for every question, you can crawl once, store reusable markdown snapshots, and continue analyzing the same dataset across future research tasks. You'll find the full blog article, companion GitHub repository, and project files linked in the description below. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more web scraping and AI development tutorials, and let us know what you'd like us to cover next.